comment marketing. This video is about comment marketing, okay? You didn't know? Here we go. Like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment on how you market. Do you market? Do you do affiliate marketing? Do you do internet marketing, online marketing, social media marketing? What do you do? Leave a comment. Tell me what you do, how you do it. Okay, this is a method that I know. It's some people call it black hat. It's not on the level. It's kind of a little sneaky business, but it's a way if you don't have money and you need to get traffic, okay, this is a way to do it. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to, in your niche, whatever your niche is, you are going to go and find the big guys in your niche. Okay. The ones that have millions of followers. Okay. Hundreds of thousands of followers. Okay. And what you do is you're going to follow them. Okay. You're going to follow them and, you're going to subscribe to them, I should say. So you're going to subscribe to their channels. You're going to subscribe to their channels, and you're going to hit the bell icon, right? So you're going to hit the bell icon up here, and you're going to get notifications of when they put out videos. Okay, so you're going to be a comment jacking. So what you're going to do is you're going to try and get to be the first commenter on the video. So as soon as they make the video and it gets released, you jump on that and you make a comment. And not just any comment. It's got to be a good comment. It's got to be, it's got to be a little bit of an ass kissing comment, a little brown nose going on, where you praise the video, praise them, what they do, that you follow them, that you like them. Okay, I'll give you an example. In the make money online niche, okay, I have a bunch of guys friended. Okay, Alex Becker is one. That he just posted 27 minutes ago. So if I would have caught that right away and made a comment on that. Now, obviously, you make a comment, some of you guys are probably saying, listen, we're not stupid. If you put a link into somebody's comment on YouTube, it doesn't get approved as an approved comment. Nobody sees it. It goes into, spam folders or whatever. And that's very true. Okay, so the comment you make, you're not going to put a link into it. Your affiliate link doesn't go in the comment at the beginning. Okay, so you make a comment and you kiss ass and you don't mention your affiliate link and you don't mention any such thing about marketing or any kind of offer or anything. You just make a high praise post comment. Say, this is John Cristani. Okay, John Cristani, I caught him right away. I was the first commenter. Hey, I love watching your videos. I am trying to follow you and do what you do. Keep inspiring me. And he replied, thanks. Okay, so because he replied, then I was the first commenter. I'm the first post on the video. So let's go to the video. Okay, this is the video. All right, I'm going to move over here now. All right. So this is the video, him with a pile of money. It's great stuff. All right, let's go down. Show me more. Oh, there's my comment, right? So there's my comment. I'm the #1 comment. All right. And then he commented, thanks. So what you do is, and this is 23 hours ago. So you wait a period of time so that he approved it. He saw it. He approved it. Okay. So this is a day ago. Now, John Cristani, this video has 570 views right now. Okay. He gets thousands and thousands of views. So because I'm the first comment, people are going to be seeing this comment a lot. Okay, so people are going to be reading this comment. People scroll down to the comments, every time they watch a video. I don't know if you do, but I know I do. So you come over here and we edit the video. So now you can't put your link in at first, but you can now. So you do that, you erase that. Okay, now I have something here already pre-done. And do you want to know free traffic sources? Do you need to know where to get free traffic from? Do you have no money for traffic? You need traffic. Everybody needs traffic. So click the link in the description for my 7 best free traffic sources with a bonus traffic source. Okay, check it out now. Like and subscribe. Okay, so this is my ad copy here. What in the hell? So we are going to copy that. I shouldn't have closed it. I'm going to paste that there. All right, but now that my link's not there. So I'm going to go back into here. I have links somewhere. There's my build a roll link. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to use the 7-day free trial link. It's always a good one. People love 7-day free trials, or free trials in general. And post my link. All right. Now, save it. Now, not only is my comment number 1 and it's talking about my business, but John Crestani said thanks. Okay, so there you go. Not only did you get your link put in, now if you wanted to make this shorter so that your link shows up, but there's my link, right? There's my link, top of the top post, and there you go. Okay, so I mean, obviously that's going to drive you some traffic. All right, so the only other suggestion is you would want maybe the link to be above here. So I might move the link. Let's do this. Let's edit it. Let's cut and paste this. Let's take this out of here. Cut that. Now the next gold rush, and we'll put the link right there. Okay, so build a real business 2019. Marketing online is the next gold rush. 7-day free trial. Be the man with the tools of the trade, and they will beg to be they will beg to buy your products. Who made the money in the gold rush? The miners. No, it was the guy that was selling shovels. Okay, and then I'm going to say sell shovels. All right, and we save it. All right, so there's my link above the fold, as you will. All right, everybody's going to see it now. John Crestani said thanks. Okay, you can't beat that. All right, so subscribe to the channel. Tricks like that, I'm finding them. I'm going to make videos. Free traffic. This is the #1 excellent way to get free traffic. Costs you nothing, and that's going to be quality traffic. Now, find the big guys in your niche and do the same thing. Okay, so what do? We follow big guys in the niche. We subscribe to their channels. Okay, we subscribe to the channels. We hit the notification as soon as, all right, as soon as they put out a video, you get a notification. You jump on that video, be the first commenter. Now, if you're the second, third, fourth, or fifth commenter, that's pretty good too. Okay, you want to be the first, but as long as you're up in the top couple, all right. Now the other thing is, if you make a really good comment, and the person makes a reply to it, it might get posted up higher. Okay, it might get pinned to the top. Sometimes that happens. Okay, so make a quality comment. Make a quality comment. Get your comment ranked at the top. Okay, maybe even pinned. Kiss a little ass. Kiss a little ass. I can't say it any more than that. All right, leave a comment. I know some of you people are going to say, that's screwed up what you did, and it's not right, and it's not fair, and it's black hat, and you're going to have you're going to call me all kinds of names, but who's it really hurting? Who's it really hurting? Okay, come on, it's not hurting anybody. Okay, it's not hurting anybody. All right, so like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.